Malcolm in the fridge. Milk. Milk. Are you cold? Are you cold in there? You have a lot of bottles. Milk. Milk. Water, that's right. What's that other stuff? Sinead sodas that are red and orange.
What's in it?
What's that?
Mama.
That's Nade's. Nade's. Let's put it on Nade's shelf. No, we have to close it. Everything's gonna go bad. Can you put everything back? Can you put the bottles back? Water. Milk.
Jasmine's a junior or senior?
Senior. Come on. Let's try to put some of this stuff back. Go ahead. You can put it back.
Alright, why don't you go and
I'm gonna go right now. Oh. Oh. Okay, squeeze it in. There you go. Okay, can you put the milk back for me? Could you put the milk back? Wanna sit? Okay, we're gonna close that. Milk, what did we make this morning? What did we make? What did we make? What's in the oven? What? Zucchini bread? Can you say it?
zucchini bread?
What is it?
Malcolm, say bread. 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 Milk. Yeah. Can you say bread?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Baba.
Bye-bye.
Baba.